Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this human hair headband wig that I have on right here. Y'all, I showed you guys on my IG stories a couple days ago, and I had so many people in my DMs like, girl, what's the tea? When are we getting the details? Well, you guys are getting the details today. Back in December, I believe, one of our favorite wig bays here on YouTube, KIE RASHON, she collaborated with MYQUALITYHAIR to bring her own collection, and I'm just so proud of her. I think it's so dope to be able to collaborate with one of your favorite, human hair wig companies and make your own signature wig. I think that is just bomb, and I'm so proud of her. Obviously, I wanted to show my love and support and purchase this wig, and y'all, I have so much to tell you guys about this wig, so I can't wait to get into this review. So before we go ahead and get started, if you guys are here for this kind of content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's go ahead and jump on into the unboxing portion of this video. Here is a few things that I received along with the wig, and here is a quick look at the specs, which I will get into later on. And this is the wig straight out of the box. I love the curls, love the color, and here's what the cap construction looks like. You get 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps, along with the really nice sturdy headband. So here's what the wig looks like after I co-washed it and styled it. I will mention the products later on that I used. I did use my Denman brush as well to clump the curls and add some definition. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply this wig. We all know by now that headband wigs are very easy to style. You don't have to have any leave out if you don't want to, but I decided to go ahead and give some swoopity swoop action, which, if I do say so myself, they are looking really good. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up just for my edges. Now I'm going to take some hair oil and just fluff out the curls. I wanted to fluff out the hair just to give a little bit of frizz, break up some of those curls, and have it look a little bit more natural and lived in. And then all I'm going to do is grab my pick and fluff out the roots so that I can give some body, and that is pretty much it. This wig was so easy to style. Let me know if you guys want an updated video further on down the road, and I can maybe do like a braid out or a twist out or maybe some other styles with this unit. If you guys are interested in seeing that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let's go ahead and get into my thoughts and opinions. You guys just saw the unboxing and how I styled this wig on day 1. I'm coming to you guys on a different day. This is day 2. Hair super fluffy, a little bit bigger and a little more frizzier, which is what I kind of prefer with my wash and goes. This is how I styled this wig. I will insert right here which products I use to get this wash and go style. I only use a leave-in and then a curl putty, and I use my Denman brush to clump the curls, and that's pretty much it. It did sit in air dry for about a week, so the curls are definitely 100% dry. Just make sure that you are waiting for the curls to fully set and dry before you go ahead and style and wear your curly, kinky, coily wigs. Just because you don't want any frizziness and you don't want to manipulate the curls before they're dry, because that's how you create a lot more frizz. Just a few specs about the unit that I have on. I have the 1B27 color, which I absolutely really love. And fun fact, I have been wanting to dye the ends of my natural hair like a light brown or a blonde, but now I don't have to because I have this headband wig and it's so easy and it just mimics my natural hair so well. Anyways, I also chose the 150% density, which I believe is the density that Kai featured in her video, and I also got it in 16 inches. And I also chose the medium cap size, which I think is the 22.5 cap size, if I'm not mistaken. And for all of those specs, this unit that I have on right here cost me $161. I also used Kai's coupon code, so I think I got it a little bit cheaper than that. So this unit is very affordable, and for the quality and the fact that you're supporting another wig bay, it's just priceless. The hair is super soft and very bouncy, and it moves really nicely, and I love the amount of definition that I got. I did go in with my Denman brush after I co-washed this unit and applied my products to get this wash and go style. The hair was really easy to work with. I didn't receive much shedding, which I kind of expected with a kinky, coily texture to receive a little bit of shedding in the washing process, but I really didn't even receive that much. I was really impressed with that. I love the quality of the cap. You get 4 really nice sized combs if you want to use them. Right now I'm only using the comb in the back, and I do have on my wig grip underneath the headband. And then I just applied a black headband because I felt like, like she's given. I don't want to take away from this hair, okay? But yeah, love the curl texture. Y'all, I am not lying when I say that this mimics my natural hair pattern so well. Like, I wish my hair looked this good in a wash and go state. And now I don't have to fuss with a wash and go. I don't gotta go to bed with wet hair. I don't gotta stay up till my hair dries. Girl, I can throw on this wig and fake it till I make it. I just absolutely love it. I love that you get like 2 different types of curl textures, because if you guys see, the ends are a little bit more of a tighter, kinkier, more coily texture, which I think is so cute. And I love like the 3B, 3C kind of curls that you get all over. I'm just so impressed with this wig. Like, I really don't have anything negative to say. So if you are waiting for me to come up with a con, you gonna be waiting a while, because I ain't got none. I was a little nervous choosing 16 inches because I didn't know how much shrinkage I was gonna get with this wig, but honestly, the shrinkage was not an issue, and I love where it's sitting on me. This is actually about the length of my natural hair, so I really love that it is so natural looking. I know I've said natural like 10 times in this video already, but period. I'm gonna call it like I see it. I know this video isn't super long, but honestly, there's really not much else I have to say about this wig other than the fact that I love it, and I think that you guys will too if you do decide to purchase it. I will leave a link down below if you guys are interested. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments section. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If I forgot to mention anything, or if you guys have any questions about this wig, leave them down below in the comments as well, and I will be sure to answer them. And if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content that I post here on my channel. My new upload schedule is every Tuesday and Thursday, so you can turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon.